And let's go to the no, not this one. Not this one. Recording this. All right. You can see, right? Okay. Today, June 17th. So as I told you, you have a like a 6 hours to turn in. So I'll put probably until Monday, not today. Monday lesson. Okay. Until Deante, until Monday lesson, you gotta give it to me. Okay.
What?
So I give a lesson with June 8, June 10, June 15, June 17. Now I'm gonna put the grade up to these 3 classes. Okay. So I need to do now and a classwork. All this. Do now, classwork. This is what you missed. Do now, classwork. And then by today, still homework 3 is ongoing, right? Everybody. So, and the quizzes, right? You can do it. I know most of you actually did it here. So, all right, let's start it. Lesson. Okay, today, do now. This is do now what we do. So, okay. Anyway, good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining. So it's -5, right? -5x plus 2 equal -43. So when you do this, the other side, -2, right? So -45. So we have a -5x. So we do divide by -5, right? It gives you 9. So next one is same thing, right? You cross out, change the sign, cross out, change the sign. So look at this. This part is 6x. This part is -14. So divide by 6. You know, you can simplify, right? This is all divisible by 2. So -7 over 3.
Yeah.
Okay. Right? Okay. That's number 1. Let's go to number 2. I'm sorry, you're writing? Deontay, you writing?
Yeah, I'm right.
Okay, so you have all the writings, you made it before, just take picture and then send it to me through chat. So number 2, how to do find midpoint. Add and divide by 2. So add an x1 and x2, right? Which is, I'm gonna a little bit, yeah, so it's -4. Sometimes divide by 2. You can do right away, right? -8, 10, which is, it gives you 2, right? So this is -6 over 2, 2 over 2, -3, and 1. So that's the midpoint. And this is the end point, end point. This is a midpoint, right? Okay.
Mama got some notebooks in there.
It
You don't,
gotta be big.
you don't need to write everything. I want you to write down the process. Okay. Remember, we are focusing on process, not questions. Now this is distance formula again. You see how we find the distance in between the 2 point? We plug in this number into here, right? Like simply, this is a x1, y1, x2, y2. Think about it. This is a value, right? 8. I'm going to override it. 8 and 4. It's more look simpler, right? And 9 and 3. So when you do that, a minus 4 is 4 square, right? Plus 9 minus 3 is what? 6 square. So this is what? This is what? 16. This is what? So this 52. All right. Deontay, you got it?
Nah, hold on.
Okay. All right. Let's move on.
Hold on. Hold on.
Oh, okay, okay.
Nah.
All right. This is actually what we're going to do today. Triangle mid-segment. So I will explain to you what it is, and then we're going to solve this one today as a class work. Now, mid-segment means this is a point and point, this is a midpoint. This is a point and point, this is a midpoint. When you pick up the midpoint and you connect, it becomes a mid-segment. Now, this one is exactly halfway, right? Halfway. What happened is, let's say this is a 10, then this one, it becomes 5, which is half of this. This line, half of this line is this line. And then this is also parallel, the parallel line, the parallel line. So think about it. When you have a mid-segment, this one is half of this, right? So how we create the equation is this. 17x minus 18 is equal to, not same with the 7x, right? 2 times 7x. Because this line is half of this, which is, this line is double than this. How to make it equal? So multiply by 2. So we have a 14x. 17x minus 18. So as we do this one, I'm going to move this one to the other side. Negative 17x. Which is, I have a negative 18 is equal to negative 3x. Divided by negative 3. Divided by negative 3. 18 divided by 3 is what? 6. X equals 6. Now remember, you multiply by 2. 5 times 2 is 10, right? So what we do, 7x times 2 is equal to this. Okay? Which is 14x equals 17x minus 18. That's it. Oh yeah, another thing I'll explain furthermore, but angle, which is, this is a parallel angle. This is actually corresponding angle, right? Same. Corresponding angle, same. They are same. This one equal to this one. Okay. Because once the line parallel, right? Think about this is corresponding angle, right? They are same. This one same with this one, right? Corresponding. All right. Do now is over. Okay. I'll give you time to write. You know, summer school is almost done halfway. We did the we're doing the fourth lesson, right? But we have only 4 more lessons. That's it. And you get the credit. Tiante, you getting a credit both. I told you right, remember, it's not just 1 semester credit. For some of you, it counts for 2, first and second semester. Right? You don't take it this time. When you come back on next year, you need to take it in class. They're gonna put you in the geometry class back in. So get it, guys. You don't get it, you gotta go to class, sit in my classroom, and take the class in the whole semester. You wanna do it? Go ahead, no problem. This is the easy way, right? Deontay.
Yeah, I'm here, man. Yes,
So
man.
give me the note. Give me the note.
You want these notes?
Yeah, right. Okay, but you need to send me June 8th, 10th, and 15th, right? All right, let's go to classwork. So classwork is the same thing. The same concept what we have here. This line is half of this. How we make it bigger, equal, multiply by 2, and equal to this, right? So we double up this one. Then it's equal to 19x minus 36. So distributing 12x plus 62 equal 19x minus 36. And I cross out negative 19x. Okay, I cross out negative 62. So let's simplify. This is a negative 7x. This is a 98, right, with a negative, right? So x equal, you divide by negative 7, right? It gives you actually 14. I mean, if you have a calculator, it's not a big deal, right? At all. Next one. Janshia, you got it? One thing I don't like is screen share. I cannot see who's taking, who's not taking, who is taking seriously. I cannot see who is leaving and not staying. All right. Okay, next one. This is all the same question, right? This line is double than this. So if you double up this, then equal to this. So what we do is 2, 4x plus 1 double, then this line equal 11x minus 25. So 8x plus 2 equal 11x minus 25. So think about it. Cross out, right? Cross out. When I do this, negative 3x equal negative 27. Divide by 3, negative 3, divide by negative 3. It gives you what? 9. Okay, here. Okay, you don't need to draw the figures, guys. I want you to write down the process, and that's mathematics part. Okay, Next one. Are you done, Deontay?
I'm taking down the number.
All right, all right. Yeah, sure. So next one. It is same, right? So this is a mid segment. The mid segment is always half of this. So you multiply by 2, then you can create equation. 2 times 15x minus 17 equals 23 minus x minus 6. So distribute 30x. So when you do this, cross out, negative 23x, cross out, plus 34. So when you do this, 7x equal, when you do this, 28. Divide by 7, x equal 4. We got this, right? Now. Can I move on, everyone? No.
Mr. Lee,
Yes?
the homework that you assigned last night is the same thing that we're doing right now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And I'm going to go over 8 questions out of 16. So
At the end, right?
yeah.
I got this.
All right. You've been getting everything 100 right now. You know it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Move on?
No.
No. Deante, I keep telling you, don't draw this one. I ask you only write this part.
Oh, why? I ain't even hear you say that.
What? I've been telling you. Don't draw the figure, just write down the process. Ah, Deante.
My fault, class. I love y'all.
All right. Okay, so let's move on. Right? So don't write this. Don't do this. I ask you write the process. Okay, now next one. Same thing, right? Same question. So this
Thank you.
piece multiply by 2, then it's equal to this piece, right? So now I'm gonna skip a little bit, right? So you can just do right away. 10x 32 equal 4x plus 34. Because the answer takes so long to write it, I'll kind of skip it one line. Okay, so 4x cross out 42. You know, it changes, negative becomes a positive, right? Positive becomes a negative, right? Whenever it jumps. So look, this is a 6x. This is a 66. When you divide by 6, x equal 11. 11, right? Okay. Okay. So at the end, you write it this one only, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Oh, finally. No wonder I was like questioning why it takes so long. You're drawing this all figure. Okay. This one looks complicated, but it's not actually. Look at this. I mean, you can get the line, right? This is a 49. How can you get this line? 49 times 2, right? Boom, this one is 98. This is 42. How you get this one? 42 times 2, right? Which is 84. How you get this line? You multiply this by 2, right? And you get this line. So when you do that, 12x minus 2 equals 13x minus 10. Okay? Negative 13x plus 2. So it's negative x equal negative 8. X equal 8. Somebody text me. Who text me? Okay. All right. Got it, everyone? Okay, no. All right. Mhm. Hey, Nicholas. So, got it? All right, let's move on. Okay. Now, this one is almost same and a little different about the angle matter. What it is about it, this angle is corresponding with this one, right? Because think about this parallel line. This is corresponding angle, right? Right. So 59, angle 4 is what? 59. So think about this one. So how about this case, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, right? This one, think about it, it's like this. Angle 1 is same thing with angle 2. So angle 2, you can get it by, this is total 180, right? 180 minus 127 equals 60, 53. So angle 2 is 53. Then, of course, angle 1 is what also? 53. So, oh, by the way, we can get angle 5, right? Because this is a 180, right? Angle 4 is 59. This is a 59 plus what makes 180? So subtract 59, let's see. Then it gives you 121. So angle 5, 121. Now how to get the angle 3? Think about it, guys. I'll pick it up to only the big triangle. The top one is 53. The bottom one is 59. We want to get this angle 3. How to get this one? Triangle always makes 180, right? So angle 3 plus 53 plus 59 equals 180. Okay, so add together 100, 112, right? Angle 3 equal 180. Simply cross out, subtract. So 7, 10, which is 8, 6, 60. This one, 60. Angle 3 is 60. Okay. Challenging? A little bit challenging? Iante, challenging?
Challenging?
Yeah, it is difficult.
Yeah.
Ah, no, not to you.
I'm playing. It ain't difficult, man. It ain't difficult.
Right. Okay. All right. Okay. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. It's kind of small. Okay. Same thing, guys. This one makes together 180, right? Because it's straight angle. Straight angle. 118 plus what is 180? Think about it. 180 minus 18 is 62. This is 62. So angle 1 is 62. Now, which one is the same with angle 1, which is 62, and this one is 62, right? Angle 5 is also 62. So now, think about the small triangle on top side. I just put it here. This is 95. This is 62. Then what is this one? You know, you put together all should be 180. So let's say I put this one as x. X plus 157 equal 180, which is, you can find quickly is by subtraction, right? 23. X is 23. This is 23. Then this is also corresponding with this one, right? This is 23. So angle 2 is 23. Angle 4 is also 23. Angle 3, you can get it because it makes together 180. You have a 23 plus what makes 180? Subtract 157, which is angle 3 is what? 157. Is using right corresponding angle and straight angle and triangle angle inner angle sum, right? We get the numbers. Okay. This is a triangle mid segment part. Did you write it all? No? It's okay. All right. Need more time, Deontay? Deontay, done?
Yeah.
All right. Let's move on. So now, so now this one, think about it. This angle, same with this one, right? And which is, this is a 5x minus 24, right? And this angle plus this angle is making always what? 180, right? So we set up the equation. When you add these two angles equal 180. Okay.
Not real. Hey, bro. Oh, what the fuck?
Deontay, no cussing. We're taking class. Okay. All right. Okay.
Yeah, I'm good.
We're recording right now.
My fault, man.
Okay. So combine light term 18. No, not 8. Combine light term is what? 13x. Combine light term is 15. 180, right? You cross out 15, we add 195. Right?
This is a lot of work, man.
I know, right? I mean, it's getting harder. Maybe when you do this, it gives you what? 15, right? 15. So x is 15. Okay, this part, right? Write down this part. Setting up. So we know that this angle is this angle, right? So this angle together 180. So when you add these two, 180. Think about it. Acute, right?
It ain't powder on the phone, but I was trying to tell her, after a while, when you take so many, your dose don't work.
Okay.
But I ain't telling her that because I ain't want to argue. Because if you take that shit for a long time, it ain't going to work like you used to. You've been taking them too long.
28. Okay. So this one, 28. We added 208, right? 16x.
And he ain't giving it. He said more.
Divide by 16, right? And this is also 13. All right, write down this part. Now this one is corresponding, right? Corresponding. So which is they are simply equal. It's not making 180, right? It's just right? Equal. So cross out negative 10x. Cross out negative 4. Which gives you negative 3x equal negative 15 divided by negative 3. X equal 5. All right. It's simply you creating equation, and after that, solve for x. Creating equation, solve for x. It could be either 180 or equal 180. Put together equal 180, or they just equal corresponding angle. This is you bring it here corresponding, but together straight angle, which is 180, right? Deontay, when you're ready, tell me. I can move on.
I'm ready. I've been done.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, move on. Okay. Oh, yeah, we finished class work, guys. We finished class work. So this part is class work. Now this is a homework. We have 8 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. I think last time I made a mistake. One of the answer, the answer was supposed to be -8, and I put -3, because when I copy the question like this one, I put the 65. It was a 65. I put 60 plus something. Okay, so today, guys, I put the answer choice too. I tried to make sure everybody get it clearly. All right. Now, QR is mid segment, right? Think about it. This line is half of this, right? Am I right?
Mr. Lee,
Yeah,
what do we find the homework at?
and the quizzes.
This gonna be in the quizzes.
Yeah, it's gonna be on the quizzes. So you go to assignment and you click it, you go automatically quizzes website, right? And
Mm-hmm.
you just put your name and you're gonna see these questions. Now this is a 16. This line is half of 16. What is the answer?
8.
8. 4, 8, 16, 32. Answer is what? 8. So let's go to question number 2. The angle. Now, what are we looking for? Angle X, right? We're now looking for angle Y, right? This is a 60, and this is corresponding angle, which is angle is what? 60 and 60 and 60, right? They are same angle, right? Same angle. Actually, Y is 140, but look at this question. What is the measure of angle? X. X is a 60. You know, you this one put together 180, so Y is 140, right? But don't pick it up 140 because we're looking for what? X. Everybody got it? Deontay got it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, move on.
So we find. All right, I got it. I got it.
All right. Okay, we're looking for angle Y. Oh, this one, not X. We're not talking about this. We're talking about angle Y, right? Remember, 40 plus, this is corresponding angle, right? 40 and this is 40, right? 40 plus 1 makes equals 180. 40 plus what is 180?
40 plus 140.
140, right? Y is 140. See, 40 plus 140 equal 180. All right. QR is mid segment. This is a mid segment in the middle, right? Midpoint. Then what happened is we're looking for this line, but this line is 3. What is this line then? This line always half of this. So you double up this and you get this line, right? So 3 times 2 is what? This is 3 times 2, right? 3 times 2, which is what? 6. Everybody get it? Any question? Any question?
No, sir.
No, okay, good. Let's move on. All right, number 5. QR is a mid segment of triangle of GFGH. So for the X. Now we talk about this question, right? How can you create the equation? You multiply by 2 equal to this, right? So this is 2x plus 44 equals x plus 33. So I cross out negative x, cross out negative 40. Think about it. This part, x alone. This part, negative 11, right? So answer is negative 11. Got it? Deontay, got it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, good. So next question is same thing, right? This one is half of this, which is you multiplied by 2 and it's equal to this. So I'm going to do this. 2x minus 4 equal x plus 7. So I cross out this, negative x. Cross out this, plus 4. Let's calculate. This one is x equal. This one is 11. So answer is what? 11. I know you don't need to write it down, right? But I want you to know, remember it, or anyway, anyhow. I put the quizzes, right? So, okay, 5 and 6. Let's, can I move on, everyone? Okay, let's move on. Okay. So TS is a mid segment of, this is a mid segment. How can you get the x value? Same thing. You multiply this one by 2, and then equal to this. So 2, right? 4x minus 14 equals x plus 10. So cross out x, cross out here. So this part is what? 3x, right? And then equal this part, 24. Divide by 3, x equal a 8. All right. So number 8 is little different. Okay, little different. Okay. Kj is mid-segment, right? What is the length of Vx? We're looking for actually length, not x. So first, we got to find the what is x, right? What is x? Once you get the x value, right? Then we plug into here, and we can find the length. Okay, let's do it. The same thing. You multiply this one by 2 and equal to this, right? So I put the 2x minus 6 equal x plus 3. So I cross out negative x, cross out positive 6. So this x, this 9. Hey, we got 9. So now x is 9. 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 is equal 12. Let's see, where is 12? Answer is, here you go. Right? So remember this one, not just asking x value. Once you get the x value, you can do this. Okay. All right. Let's go back. Can I go back? Everyone got it? Yes. For sure, right? Okay. All right. So let's go back. Let's start recording. Remember, today, 4 p.m., we close all the grade, right? For the progress report card.